Hello YouTubers. Today's video I'm just going to talk about maintaining planters, specifically geraniums, but this applies to other flowers too. Hello YouTubers, my name is Seb. This is Seb's Home Projects, and in this video I'm just going to give you a quick little tip on maintaining planters like that. These happen to be geraniums, but this applies to other types of flowers as well. What you'll notice is that through the season, after you've planted and they're blooming, that you'll start to see some stems of the dying flowers, because they have a cycle, right? They only last about 2 weeks, and then the stem of that flower dies, and then you'll see new blooms coming out. So what we do is we call this removing deadheads. So basically just find the stem that has no more flowers on it, like that, and we snap and just remove it. Just like that. And then when you're done, it'll be a lot cleaner, like you see there. Basically allows for more nutrients to get to the flowers that are blooming and still alive, and then it'll things will recycle and continue to bloom even more. So it's just a quick little tip for you. Thanks for watching Seb's Home Projects.